Are you looking for the best brad nailer? In this video, we will break down the top brad nailers on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best brad nailers, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Makita AF505N brad nailer. This Makita 18-gauge brad nailer has a range of features that make it suitable for everything from trim work to sheeting. The nail guide will hold up to 100 nails and includes a nail indicator window, so you will be able to avoid blank hits during extended use. The nail head, magazine, or other parts that require maintenance or access during use are designed for toolless access, including an easily adjustable depth guide. It can handle brad sizes from 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches, and has a narrow nose design that will reach into tough spaces. The rubber nose and bumpers won't scratch wooden surfaces, and the rubberized grip will allow you to keep going for long periods of time without muscle fatigue in your gripping hand. The protective rubber nose is also a potential problem for finish applications, such as quarter round, because it tends to slip easily across a finished surface. This may slow you down a little on non-flat surfaces, but it is still a very useful feature in the woodworking industry, where every second counts, and do-overs because of marred surface are money down the drain. You'll need a compressor that can maintain a minimum of 60 psi, but the nailer has a 50 psi window, so most small compressors can simply be cranked up a little higher to accommodate heavy use. At number 2, we have the Dewalt DWFP 12231 brad nailer kit. The Dewalt DWFP 12231 is a close contender for the best finisher nailer. It features the same 18-gauge, 3/8 inch to 2 inch nail variation, and a maintenance-free motor that won't leak or spray the work area with messy exhaust. It is also a tool-free model, which means you can quickly fix jams, adjust the drive depth, and more without carrying special tools or wrenches around on the job site. This Dewalt is very lightweight, and includes a rubberized grip for comfort and a rubber tip guard that prevents damage to the work surface. The unit body is made of Dewalt's standard high-impact plastic that can stand being handled roughly without cracking or shattering. This model is not especially heavy-duty, and will work best in non-professional settings than as the primary nailer on the job site. The trigger system is sequential, not automatic, so you will have to pull the trigger for every nail released, rather than simply bumping down and moving onward. And at number 3, we have the Dewalt DC608K 18-volt brad nailer kit. The Dewalt DC608K is something completely different. It is still an 18-gauge nailer, which can handle 5/8 of an inch to 2 inch brads, and has many of the same features as their other top picks, including rubber nose tip and ergonomic rubberized handle grip. The main difference is that this unit is powered by Dewalt's 18-volt rechargeable battery system, so there is never a hose or cord to drag around while you work. It's a good example for choosing the cordless electric side of the air tool versus electric tool argument. It can be set to both sequential and bumping style nailing, and can drive brads at a maximum rate of 5 per second. It's a good idea to pick up a spare battery if you plan on using this nailer in heavy construction, but a single battery can drive hundreds of nails before losing charge, and will probably suffice for light and medium woodworking. It does not have the same driving force as a pneumatic nailer, and that will decrease as the battery drains, but you are only going to encounter bending or jamming problems on hardwoods such as oak, but it will work flawlessly for a majority of trim work. So that sums up our top brad nailers. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.